IPOB don finally release the name of those governors and politicians, businessmen wey be say they dey work against Mazi Nnamdi release o. No be small thing o. They say kasala don burst and yawa don gas. As that one dey happen o, they say that they don cap one woman, one immigration woman for Lagos wey be say if you wan travel, all those immigration, if you wan travel, they go dey for door. Whether e dey comot o or e dey enter o, they say they go dey there, they collect money, they ask you money for bag wey you carry. Bag o, no be say help you carry bag o. They don capture am for camera. As that one dey happen, they say Tinubu supporters are now crying that no food o. They say even garri to talk sef, they no even see garri to drink again. As that one dey happen, they say Soludo security don capture some boys wey be say they say na they be agboro for inside Onitsha, another part of Anambra State. Yeah, my people, we'll go find out how this thing take dey happen. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today are the first time wey they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Here would bring you ogbonge news as it dey hot all over the world, for inside Biafra land and for inside Nigeria and for inside Africa. We dey here Girigbam, they bring you the update. Let's quickly jump into this particular update where we'll get for our hand today. They say that indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has said that the intelligence team uncovered a secret plot by some top Southeast politicians and some governors and other businessmen to hold Mazi Nnamdi and to prevent the Supreme Court not to release Mazi Nnamdi come its judgment on 15th December 2023. According to IPOB, they say the politicians and businessmen are pushing for Kalu to remain in Kuje prison. No be small thing no. And this is the update where they get for our hand be this. And what is the names of these Southeast governors and politicians where they call for this particular act where they talk about? They say that Wâñt, former governor of Rivers State, is number one, and Hópe Uzọdinmá of Imo State, and Şĥ0çk of Imo State, and other politicians, somebody like Mazi and some other businessmen. These ones, their name is not yet close to us, but when they bring it out, we'll also call it out here. Waiting they happen now. Yeah, my people. Now so we'll see more, and I will say more bring them, go show our people. Let's quickly jump into the next matter where we'll get for hand before we go run out of time today. They say that one woman will be say na in work for inside Lagos Airport, International Airport, Murtala Mohammed Airport. They say that woman, me myself, I don't be the victim of this thing some time ago. As I dey waka dey enter inside Naija, na say they stop me. The woman gonna be me go one corner. He say if I no give am money for bag wey I carry dey come back, this one go happen. I gave this woman small money. He say no, he no want this small money. Na dollar he want. I say madam, I no know wetin be dollar because I know from where dollar dey come back. Na so we drag am. So, later that day, I still give am money. And this boy now don dey give am. He say one even tell us say if we not give am money for departure, say we go miss our flight. And that woman nearly make us miss our flight. This is what is going on in Nigeria. And this thing will only express it in Nigeria. It never happen in any other country that we have traveled to. Yeah, my people, let's play the video. May you watch before we come back and continue.
This is what happened to me in the new Nigeria airport. This custom woman asked me to give her 5,000 naira for no reason.
5,000. I not get. Okay, bring 3. I not get. Talk with her, I'll give you. How much you have? Come put this in for your bros, no to go. Now you give, I not be see. Take. I don't give me 2. And I'll give you this. Carry enter. You want to stay here? I don't carry market and food stuff I carry. I don't declare it. I don't give you two. Now talk to sell. I get time. Yeah. I don't give you 1K. Say you tell me say no. I give her 1,000. Mama, where they carry the bag? They go now. No, leave my here. Leave my here. No. Mama, stop. I don't want to be rude. I beg. I don't want to be rude, please.
Rude, not rude.
Why are you doing this now? Call your OC. If you want, call your OC now.
Give me 1,000. For what?
Mama, I don't want to be rude. I beg.
Go ahead.
I don't want to be rude.
Go ahead. What you sow is what you reap. Go ahead.
I don't want to sow anything.
What you sow is what you reap. Go ahead. How can they give me 1,000 for what? I don't even say 5,000. Come down to 2.
And I don't see him. So I don't know where this particular money they go and the reason why did they do this thing to passenger. The problem for inside that country, maybe even the British will get the company. Now the people where they give the work for hand, now then they help them, they kill them, they go. But however, and I don't see what thing they go on. Let's quickly jump into this particular one. They say that the Tinubu supporters have cried out for help for not eating for a very long time now. Hey, let's watch the video together. Now the people where they say, oh your mandate, Bola, oh your mandate, yeah, onago beme. Let's watch the video together, my people.
People come on Gary, we can't buy Gary again. Nowadays, we are suffering. Food we can't buy. Rice we can't buy. We can't beat our side again. Even look at our students now. They want to do NECO. The NECO thing they want to do. There is no money. We don't have money to give us to do the NECO exam. No problem, anything. All our child, we put something on their head to sell up and down so that we will get money to eat. Some people got motor, car. They use the car to carry passenger up and down. Because there is no money. To buy food is a problem. To buy clothes is a problem. To buy food is a problem. To get money is a problem. Another person carry road to hang his neck and kill himself because of summer. This summer is too much. We are shouting change. This change is dangerous for somberness. You change another person to thief. You change another person to kidnapper. You change another person to highway robber. You change another person to kill person, to carry person here. This is too much in Nigeria.
Yeah, my wonderful people. Chebon, I don't see them. Now those same people where they shout say they want Tinubu. Now them they see they cry put for inside the matter. We tell you now. So many people who don't jackpot. They did that they face their own. You know, at least food no go be their problem. But now the same one will be aboro. We be say nothing show. Now the same one they will give one shot of kakai and I go they jump up. If a group run for inside that country come outside say they want to change everything, now the same one they go see use. So make una carry on a cloth to where una live and wear. What be smart, you know, una never see anything. Now na money. When night go come, una go understand. Yeah, my people, let's quickly jump into the next Ogbonge news we will get for our hand today. Or inside Anambra now. For this video, we will go show you this one na Soludo security men, security agboros, and in the physical agboros. No be small thing, but the question we want to ask them. In short, let's watch the video together before we come back and talk with we want to talk concerning this video.
Yeah. Yes. We are anti-council. For sure. Say no to council. Solution is here. Yes. And we are the men. We are good to go. For sure. We are the front line. Yes. Everywhere they must be good. For sure. Whether they like them or not. Yes. I am the Şĥ0çk. Yes. I can see. I'm the one. Yes.
Yeah, my wonderful people. Say when I don't see that na morning prayer or worship song. This is some group of boys with the don't catch for inside Anambra. So they say they be Agboro, according to waiting information. What would they get concerning this video and this now? But the question is that not chasing the Agboro is the problem. As a governance, have you people provided a place they will work? Have you created something that will change their lives? Because the problem we have today is not all about, when you go to most of European countries, they have their mafia, they call them mafia, but we call it Agboro. They are mafia are the same thing. But those people that's the way they are settling them, that's the way they kept them, you understand? So, but every person that is growing up today in Europe, in America, are thinking what he want to create, the legacy they want to leave. Depend on the environment, what the environment bring out, what the society look like. So that's why we get all those things inside, especially Ali Igbo. I'm talking Ali Igbo today. It's not normal. Ali Igbo is never a Lagos where you find Agboros. So taking them out of the street, fine, I support it 100%. But let the government of Anambra State create work opportunity, began to build infrastructures, began to create programs that will engage our youth. If not, more of this is coming to Anambra, to Imo, to Enugu, to Ebonyi, to Abia, and other Biafra land. Yeah, my people, share this video and make sure that you subscribe and follow our Facebook page. Thank you so much.